Oh, yes. We ain't trying to get no mosquitoes in here. You feel me? Oh my God. Yeah. Anyways, y'all. I don't know if y'all watched the first video I just posted, right? The first little vlog I posted. I know it's all over the place. But y'all gotta understand, like, it's my first time picking up my camera in like I said 5 years. First time in Jamaica in like 5 years. However, it's my first time picking up my vlogging camera. Is there people swimming? That's so sick. Anyways, first time picking up my camera in like a year, you'll feel me? So I'm gonna give you a 20-minute tour of however much things I could give you the tour of right now. Say, what's up, little bro? Hello. I'm gonna give you a 20-minute tour of whatever I could do right now. But I'm gonna start with the room. Then I'm gonna go outside for y'all, walk around for a little bit, you know, show y'all what I can show y'all. Hopefully they got bikes, we could ride bikes around because they got a lot of spaces. So I'm not sure yet. However, I'm finna I'm finna go give you a tour of the room right now. It's a little mess, cause me and my little brother, we share the same room. We made home of it, but this is a little view right here we got. We on the ground floor or whatever. You feel me? You wanna get in the room tour, Aiden? Okay. I get in the room tour, man. We're following you today, man.
We got the electric bed.
We don't know why they got the sponge out, but it's cool or whatever. I guess they have it there for guests, you know.
Have it
Set up. It was your setup too, but okay. Keep going. Posting the first vlog, going back home. Y'all see that? It's checking to make sure it's get green, you know. Check the thumbnail out. Anyways, we following you, Aiden. Come on.
Okay, then you have my bed.
Okay, cool. Did you go to work last night on that bed? Oh, no, never mind. What else?
The bedside table.
Okay. Anything in there? No. Then my bed. Okay.
And then this table with stuff.
Come on, man. You gotta give us the tour. The TV? Is the TV smart? Is it stupid? What's up, man?
It seems like...
Seems like what? What?
Seems like an...
Ordinary TV. It's okay, yeah. So it's not smart. Then we were told, what were we told? We were told while we were checking in, right, that they got some things in the fridge for us, right? Complimentary drinks. So we opened the fridge. It's only one soda in there when we opened the fridge. Only a Coca-Cola. But we went to Mom's room and stole that bigger right there, so we're gonna have that.
Their room had 5 drinks.
Now you counting. Keep going. We gotta get in the bathroom tour, man. Come on now. Wait, what's in here?
The closet.
Closet. So I guess we gotta put our stuff in here. See, instead of us being messy, having our stuff all over the place, we gotta put our stuff in here. Okay, close. Then the safe for the Glucky. Okay, cool. Okay, we 3 minutes in, y'all. I told y'all giving y'all 20 minutes uncut video.
Okay. So this is the bathroom.
Okay, cool.
One thing for each person.
Okay.
That's the toilet.
I heard they take a boo-boo last night. Did you take a boo-boo last night? You did!
Okay, then this is the shower.
The shower. So walk in, stand, the shower. Okay, cool. Okay, cool.
There's the body wash.
Okay. Isn't there supposed to be like body wash and stuff right there? They should have that right there. What are they doing?
I have to put my own there.
Exactly. But yeah, y'all, quick little tour of the room that we're staying in right now. It's all inclusive wherever, so we did go to a little buffet yesterday, have some Jamaican food buffet. It was cool. I don't know, as I said, my first time picking up my camera in like a year, so I really wasn't like, you know, hip on what to record, what to vlog for y'all. But however, I'm gonna get y'all right starting now. This is me getting used to the camera, so I'll just give you a little room tour. I'm gonna really get my shoes on. What's this? Oh, okay. What's it for? Sunburn. Bruh, you white. It's not me. This man gave me sunburn cream. Now I gotta go outside and record for another 15 minutes, bro. You gonna walk with me or you gonna stay in the house?
Stay in the house.
You gonna stay? Yeah, I got to give them an uncut video because the first video I posted was a little, you know, not up to par. You think I should wear a jacket out?
No.
No?
It's quite warm.
It's quite warm, man. Indeed it is. Where my wallet at? Tell me I got robbed. You see my wallet for real?
No.
I know I need my phone. Wait, I'm gonna post this video with y'all also so y'all know. So it says right here, it's green. Peak game. Y'all gonna walk through post the video. So boom, checks complete. We're gonna go right here. Gotta put it in a playlist. Should I put it in a playlist? Yes, no. Alright, so select a playlist. Do I have any playlists created on here? All vlogs, why not? Put it in the all vlogs playlist. I'm gonna just leave that right here for a little minute. Y'all letting to see all that. That's a little personal stuff, right? Yeah. Anyway, so playlist created. The tag right here, going back home. ... Like, why not? You say it's not called Aiden. I don't need Aiden. Come here. Come and talk to them for a minute while I post this video.
Yeah.
You could take them up and go show them whatever you want to show them while I post this video. Don't drop it, man.
Okay. So this bench with all of my stuff, and here's a place where we have the towels and pipes.
Don't stop the camera.
Okay.
You should record that movement. You should record moving our stuff into the car so we don't have to mess around the house.
There's this vent.
Boy.
Then umbrella and
You got umbrellas in there?
one.
Wow.
Then we have
One umbrella was a 2-bedroom.
and we have our one iron and I assume power box. Okay, 2 extra minutes of video.
2 extra minutes of video. Thank you, little bro. I'm out here in Miami. That's crazy. Take over. That's cool. Boom. Alright, video going live right now. Y'all watching this one. You know, y'all gotta tap in, tap in, tap in, tap in. Checks complete. Boom, boom, boom. And I'm gonna do public right away because why not? And then publish. Boom! The first video I officially posted. Go on YouTube and watch my video now. Anyways, y'all, let's go do this tour right
This is
now.
also like cash bag.
Okay, so you're showing
true.
anything at this point. And then I don't know where my wallet is for real. Do you see my wallet?
No, I haven't.
Oh, I know where it's at. I did hide it last night. Anyways, y'all, come on, let's go for a walk. I'll be back. Ooh. Goes down. Ghost town, ghost town, ghost town, ghost town, ghost town. Anyways, y'all, this place hella big. Now we finna go for a little walkie walk. Oh yeah, by the way, it's like what, 79, so it's not even cold. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Anyways, I gotta get trying to show y'all some stuff. I ain't cutting the video, I ain't doing none of that. None of that. Alright. Which way? Which way? Which way? This way. This is the main area. Oh, it is raining. It is raining. It is raining. You know it, chop? Alright. Anyways, yeah, so they cleaned up right now. Ain't much going on right now. Probably gonna show y'all like the ocean view out there or something. But let me get y'all to the pool real quick. I cleaned the pool. It rained all day yesterday when I landed. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. But they got a mango tree out here. I wish they had mango. That's a breadfruit tree. Now me remember what the trees are like. Y'all, damn. OC as hell. Anyways, as I said, Uncut. I got y'all. Might get y'all the pool first so y'all can see what the pool talking about. And you know, I got here in the night, so I didn't really see much. But Cool. Cool. Cool spot, I bet. Hold on. Let me see how the lighting look on my skin. Ooh, I look hella good. Aye. Anyway, so I have a jerk center right here. Last night, this was closed when I pulled up last night. I don't know what time they're open, but I'm gonna check soon. The buffet was over there somewhere. I'm not sure. Alright, Prodigy tuning in to the first vlog. Because I said Prodigy, this I go post like a couple minutes after Prodigy. I'm not even joking with it. I'm not even playing with it. The spa, everything is over there. That's where the lobby is at. I'm gonna show y'all that later. But this vlog, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna go straight to the beach. I ain't for playing. This is the food mart. You feel me? Then the pool. Oh my god, damn, this pool hella freaking big. Damn. Damn. I did, boss. I did. Man saying good morning. This man ain't even know I'm from Jamaica. I like it. I love it. Like, damn, y'all. Check me out. Fun fact, y'all. If y'all didn't know this, I've never stayed in like a Jamaican hotel or anything before when I was living here. So it's like, you know, it's different. How's it going, y'all? Never did. So it's like, I don't know what to really expect or what to really take advantage of. But damn. Don't I turn. Kiati. God damn, how far does this pool go? How did bossy? John, how far does this damn pool go? I'm finna run in a minute. It's raining. Damn. Look at me! Alright, we were 12 minutes in and the rain coming down and I'm not stopping. I ain't finna go all the way out there right now. I just wanna go to I wanna go to the beach for y'all. I'm going to the beach. The beach right there. And the rain's coming harder. Freak! Whee! I just wanna show y'all the beach. And I'm gonna show y'all the beach. Oh damn, look! They got the chair. I just wanna show y'all the beach whole time. I ain't even tripping on shit. I'm finna go in the sand and I'm finna walk in the sand. I ain't tripping. Oh my gosh. I'm like, damn. Why am I acting fucking like a foreigner? I'm acting like I'm not even from here at this point. But I'm gonna stop right here because the rain coming down. Whew. Oh, they got that drink going. Oh, it's gonna be live later, bro. I should have took the umbrella that Aiden was telling us about, y'all. I should have took the freaking umbrella that you was telling us about. Oh, damn, y'all got wet. It's okay, baby, I got you. It's okay, baby. It's okay, baby, I got you. Stop. It's okay, you're gonna be okay. You're gonna be just fine. Ooh, child. Oh, I wanna go closer. Frick that. Fuck the rain. Do it for the vlog, right? Let's do it for the vlog. Frick, let's do it for the vlog. Let's do it for the vlog. Let's do it for the vlog. Alright guys, I decided this like early morning tour, so I'm like no one's out, you feel me? So it's just like me, you feel me? But like, yep, I literally walk from my room to the motherfucking beach. To the beach. Hold on, I gotta get the vlog. I gotta get IG. Damn, I ain't forgot no data. Frick. You know my phone I got an American data plan. I'm gonna go over there. I wanna go over there. And I'm going. Like the rain ain't gonna stop shit. I'm capping like a motherfucker. The rain coming down. God damn. Damn. But like check it out, y'all. Oh! There's so much more I want to show y'all, but I'm gonna show y'all like a vlog that's not uncut. Because this vlog is uncut. I gotta get y'all. I gotta talk to y'all. I gotta get y'all everywhere I'm going right now. I'm just doing this just to do it right now. But I'm finna run over here real quick. Ready for the race? Let's go. Whee! I'm Usain Bolt, nigga. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with it. Yes. This is like where they keep weddings at. Let's listen to the ocean. Oh my gosh. My hair is gonna be messed up. Ooh, child, let me clean the camera off. This is what I get for wanting to give y'all an uncut video. We got 5 more minutes to go. I don't know what to show y'all right now because I didn't look up the map. They got a map on the app that I should have looked at so I could give y'all a tour or whatever, or places to do, things to do. But as I said, I'm just doing this to get used to holding the camera, walking around, having people looking at me and stuff while I'm holding my camera. So you know the vlog for today is gonna be lit. I got adventures I want to do today. I think I'm gonna get my rental car today because I want to go to Kingston. I want to go see my dad and all that stuff. You feel me? This is in Montego Bay. This hotel is called what's it called? Baja Prince or some shit. It's called Baja. You see me? It's a Runaway Bay, by the way. So yeah, y'all can stay here, whatever. I'm gonna like make sure I give y'all as much, you know, update or information as what they got here, honestly. But I still got 4 minutes of content left to do for y'all. It's raining even harder now. I'm only out here because I'm doing it for the vlog. And I don't know what to do. All I gotta say is just subscribe, y'all. Y'all see me. I'm trying to get used to it, so all I gotta say is sub. Sub. Just sub up. Sub. Sub up. Sub. Sub up. Hey. Just sub up, y'all. I got y'all. Just it's gonna be lit. Get it? I'm gonna go back, but I'm gonna run. I don't want my camera to get even wetter than it is. Damn. This shit hella big, by the way. They got a look at them motherfuckers all the way up there. They are in the, what they call that shit? The private, the luxury part. So the luxury part is for couples. I'm not in the luxury part of the hotel. They in the luxury part, as you can see. Look at them up there. We in the grand part. That's a family and shit. Yeah, it's a family trip, so for all y'all expecting all that big booty action, y'all ain't finna see it. Hell, y'all finna see that shit. Let's give me some time. Yeah, you see me? It's just the first day. It's the first morning. Girl, why you got your foot up? Let me chill out, fool. Let me chill out, fool. Enjoy the scenery, y'all. Enjoy the scenery. Uncut, unedited, you feel me? Just straight up recording for y'all. Right now I'm gonna go right here and sit over here. Oh, this rain finna mess my hair up, my camera getting wet, everything getting wet. Except your girl. Like, damn. Ow! Everything getting wet except your girl. Like, damn. Everything except your bitch. Big boy. I don't know what to do with myself. He's just so beautiful. Is that a bird? Or it's a stone? Y'all see that? Not a bird. It's a bird. But bruh, damn, I'm so close to the ocean. I'm a little scared. I wanted to go on a cruise on my birthday, y'all. I wanted to go on a cruise on my birthday, but like just being this close to the freaking ocean right here, seeing the wave, how freaking harsh it is, like god damn. Do I really want to go on a cruise now? I ain't never been on a cruise. You know, my birthday in February, for all those who don't know, you know. So you know, if you want to give me a little gift or whatever, just give it to me. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. I'll take anything with a lot of money on. But I don't know. Low-key scared. And I'm still gonna do it. They don't live once. That's what I told myself. I gotta do something. I gotta do that shit before I die. Just like skydiving. Like I gotta do skydiving before I die. So it's like, and I want to do this shit while I'm young too. I don't want to wait until I'm old to do all this stuff. Like, you feel me? I believe in life. If it's your time to go, it's gonna be your time to go. You feel me? You only live once, so why not live it up? But I'm gonna hurry back. Right now we at 19 minutes or whatever. And the rain chose to come down even more. Oh my gosh. I low-key could just get comfy right here. But the Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi is not working out here. So guess who's not gonna get comfy? We finna be running like a mofo. Why the Wi-Fi not connecting now? I'm sad. Get me a little photo for the gram right here. We vlogging. Damn, y'all. 20 minutes. I'ma see y'all when I see y'all, because I'm finna Yeah! For the post this right now anyway. Just like this. I love y'all, man. Peace out.